Siri Radha guys, my name is Anand Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start with a routine video without having any further delay. So this video is about the routine of 8th June 2024 of I think day 185. Maybe I don't know exactly about it. Yeah, day 185. Yeah, maybe, but I don't know exactly about it. Okay. So basically, today I woke up at around 9, between 9 and 9, between 9 and 10. You can approximately. So yeah, after that, I brought my I brought my clothes, and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, I didn't went to the bathroom, and after that, I uh, I I washed my mouth through Colgate and brush, and after that I had taken the bath. After that I worshipped at a very proper manner, and after that I wore the clothes which is required. Okay, so basically this today I had done this in the morning. Okay, so basically after that you know I told to my father that uh, please put out foods for us, and I'm gonna to on the TV. TV means television. So after that I on the TV, and I started watching CID while eating. So basically I had done today, and after eating the food I didn't done too much thing. Okay, so basically what I had done, let me tell you first. Okay, so basically after that I didn't do too much thing. I was just using my the ground floor, and I went to the first floor. After that, I went to the ground floor. After that, I didn't do too much thing, by the way. Okay, so yeah. So basically, this is a thing which was happened, and yeah. So after that, the person came for a delivery of cylinder. Okay, so he delivered the cylinder. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened, and after that he came, and after that my father told me that first of all we should know the weight of the cylinder. Okay, so after that we went to the uh, what we call kabad in English, that is spare parts of, maybe, but I don't know exactly what it is, spare parts of. So we reached there, and we have exchanged 3 cylinder, but all the cylinders weight is less than 1 kilo. Okay, 1 kilo 300 gram was like that. So after that he told that they will brought tomorrow. So after that he again brought new cylinder, and after that the weight of the cylinder was uh, proper. So after that I gave him the like khali cylinder, I don't know what we call it in English, the other cylinder which is not filled with the gas. Okay, so I gave, and my father paid money. Okay, so after that I didn't do too much thing. I went to the first floor, and after that I went for the sleep. After that I woke up at around 8 and 8:20 between. Okay, so after that I went to the ground floor. After that I ate a sweet, and after that you know uh, I ate I don't know what we call parval in English. Okay, I will tell it answer very soon. I ate parval and potato sabji, and rice, as well as I also ate paratha. I still don't know what we call paratha in English. Okay, but I will translate very soon. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was I ate today. So I ate, and while watching the TV. So today I watched the movie of Kabir. No, sorry, that is Jaisi Karni Vaisi Bharni. I watched it, and after that, after watching that, I spent it some time with my family. After that, I went to the first floor, and I'm shooting the video. After shooting the video, I will go to the ground floor, and I will study at the ground floor today. Okay, basically. So from the last too many days I used to sleep at the first floor, but today I'm going to sleep to the ground floor. First I will study at the ground floor, and after that I went for the sleep. So basically this is a thing which was happened today. I hope you did understand till yet. If you did understand this video, then kindly please like it, because if you like my videos it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. Okay, so as I already told you, I have already made a proper notebook for your vocabulary. So here is the notebook. So let's start 5 vocabulary word. After that we will revise all the vocabulary till yet. Okay, in a very rapid fire. Okay, like that. Okay, so the first word is thought. Now what thought means, I know that you guys know that Thought means vichar. Okay. For example, I like your thought about the globalization of India. His thought really appreciable. I thought that you don't went there. That's why I do this such kind of activity. I thought you are the only person who done this activity. I really appreciate you. I thought that you do this such kind of activity. That's why I changed my plan. My main motive is not to, betray you. Okay, not to defeat you, not to defame you. My main motive is just only to care about you. Okay, so yeah, basically this is the first word, that is thought, which are. The next word is weep. Weep means guys, rona. Why are you weeping, by the way, dude? Is there any reason? Is anything happened to you? Please tell me. Maybe I can help you. But don't weep. I don't like when you weep. It is a kind of, children weeping. You are the guy, and you don't have any right to weep. Okay. So it's weep. Okay, weep. Okay. WEEP, weep. Okay. So the next word is bark, bhokna. Now, how can we say that? This bark means bhokna. Okay. So like dogs are barking on the footpath. Okay. Why are you bark like that, a dog? Yeah, this is all about bark. Like, okay. So the fourth word is feed. Feed means khilana. Khilana. Like a person feeding food to the beggars. Okay. Why are you feeding food to the cat? Because it seems like that cat is also a part of the nature, and they also need food similar as human beings. So yeah, okay. So the last word is catch. Catch means guys pakarna. Why you didn't catch the ball? If you catch the ball, then our team will won the game. Why you didn't do this such kind of activity? It's really a very bad. You should catch the ball in a perfectly manner. Okay. So basically, yeah, this is the thing which was happened, and yeah. So the another example of catch, like I didn't catch it. Can you please repeat it? It's also a kind of thing. Okay. So basically, guys, this is all today's 5 vocabulary word which is I had learned today. Okay. So yeah. So let's revise it rapidly. Okay. Sorry. Why I'm using ठीक है? It's okay. Okay, Okay. So we will revise rapidly, only from top to bottom of the vocabulary in rapid. Okay. But the thing is, I will see in Hindi and I will translate in English. Okay. If I see in English, then after that I translate in Hindi. That's not good. Okay. Because our mother tongue is Hindi. Okay. So yeah. If I see in English, then there is no need to learn English. Okay. So yeah. So here is the notebook. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, आत्मा, सोल, उत्सुक, ईगर, भक्त, रिवोटी, सांस, पीड़ित, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, लिफाफा, एनवलप, धीरज, पेशेंस, फुसफुसाना, विस्पर, निश्चित रूप से, अपरेंटली, जरूरी, एसेंशियल, सचमुच, लिटरली, पीछे, बैक, पीछे, नियर, बिसाइड, ओके, पीछे, वह मेरे पीछे का है, इज स्टैंड, बिसाइड, नॉट बिसाइड, पीछे, बैक, आई थिंक सो, इट इज़ बिहाइंड, सो बनाना, क्रिएट, हटाना, नॉक, पास, नियर, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, परेशानी, ट्रबल, बहकाना, बहकाना, I forget. Misguide, बहादुर, ब्रेव, कुंवारा, बैचलर, इसबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, लगाव, अफेक्शन, बदनाम करना, बदनाम करना, ब्लेम, No, it is defame. Yeah. Dantna is called Bevkoof. Yana, or sorry, I am using this or a Bevkoof or Nasima, that is silly. I think that guys, if I do this, I really improve in my English vocabulary. Okay. नीचा दिखाना, नीचा दिखाना, humiliate, पहुंचना, reached या और arrive, विरोध करना, protest, निर्देश, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, न्याय, जस्टिस, विचार, थॉट, रोना, वीप, भौंकना, सॉरी आई एम यूजिंग हिंदी वर्ड राइट. भौंकना, बार्क, खिलाना, फीड, पकड़ना, कैच, बगल में, बिसाइड, के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, पर्दे, कर्टेन्स, पक्का, डेफिनेटली और श्योर, आज रात, टुनाइट, हाल ही में, now, recently, आधी रात. Oh sorry guys, I'm using the next, yesterday's, sorry, I'm using the, I already used tomorrow's and day after tomorrow's word. Okay, so I shouldn't do this. I will learn this from the last again the 2 days which will come from now. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is the thing which all happened today. I hope you understand the video. So let's end the video guys. See you later. Bye bye.